Hey y'all, I'm Moose and welcome back to my art journey. Today's inspiration, persevere. So we are going to continue with the flip cup and we're gonna persevere, push on, be successful. And if we're not, we'll just persevere. Okay. So we're gonna do flip cup as I get my words coming out of my mouth properly. You haven't got a beverage? Pause right now and go get you a beverage. Got my ginger ale. Okay, we're using ocean themes. Lots of different colors. I will put them scrolling on the screen or in an info card or something like that on the screen now. Okay, so I'm going to start with, let's see, the first thing in is the last thing out in a flip cup. So, I think I want it light last. So we'll start with my custom peachy, sandy, metallic-y, yeah, whatever that color is. We'll start with that. Okay. Alright, let's do this flip. I hope this is enough paint because I didn't measure. I think what I'm going to do, since I'm just doing one cut, is first get these puzzles off my canvas. And then I'm going to do it this way. Where's the center? Does that look like the center? Somewhere in there? Yeah, that kind of feels centered. Here we go. Oh, no, drop it. It's slippery. Get my finger under it. Oh, it's going to go flying. I just know it. Okay. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Whew. Okay, y'all still straight in here? Is that straight? Okay. Now, we let it sit, we let it marry, and we let it groove and relax and chill and flow. And can you tell I wanted to be a hippie when I was a kid? My parents wouldn't let me. I got rings on my toes though. Okay. So, do we want to just lift up? I mean, that's traditional flip cup, is just lift up. We could drag it, make a swirl. I think we'll just lift it up. We'll do traditional. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. It's stuck to the canvas. I'm pulling, guys. I'm really pulling. Burp. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Ooh. Oh, Maddie. Oh, Maddie. Do you see what I see? Cup isn't really super special, but, you know. That is super special. Okay, what do we, I want to put around the outside so that it flows, because I don't want to lose a lot of this. So, I think what I'm going to put is initially, I'm going to do this custom turquoise that I made, because I love it. Oh my gosh, look at the cells popping up. I'm so excited. Okay, now I'm going to torch. Let's get rid of the air bubbles. Well, guys, what you think? I love this. I love, 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 love this. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh, so pretty. I thought I saw something in it when I was tilting though. Where maybe I tilted it off. It was around here somewhere. Oh, nope, there it is. My trusty stick. Oh, that's fine. I need the tweezers. scissors. Don't know, but you don't belong in my painting. Oh, I love this so much. This cameraman, please get me a close-up right here of this cell. That is the craziest looking thing I have seen. At first I thought the paint was like showing the canvas, but it isn't. That's so crazy. Okay, let me bring you down for some close-ups and then we'll be done. So, okay guys, so this is the bottom left corner. Very pretty. Very happy with this. Going along the top. This top right corner. Let me find it there. This little cell right there. I don't know if we can zoom in on that and get it really well, but it's so weird looking. And look at these down here. Where's my finger? Here. Isn't that cool? All the different colors. And this lacing in these two colors that I never intended to be in the painting. They were just supposed to be something that got tilted off, but it looked so good while I was tilting. I was like, oh no, I like that. I'm keeping it. Look at that. Ugh, so pretty. So, so pretty.
Okay guys, thanks so much for joining me on this part of my journey and helping me find another stepping stone to on my art journey. I love it very much. I'm having a great time. I hope you are too. If you're still here and you don't mind if you give me a like, or you know, if you didn't like it, why are you still here? So if you're not subscribed, think about doing that. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps me out. So I love you guys very much. I hope you have a lovely day. Bye.